Pero but still they have overtime work. Pero tapos na yung kanilang trabaho. May permit sila sa LAD.
Nasubukan na namin yung nasubukan na namin ganyan. Idulong kami doon sa may ano. Sa lakad kami. Kay Carmel Ballester. Sinulong kami ng mga bata.
Good morning. So, I'm wearing a big t-shirt because I'm heading to the site. I'm gonna check what's happening over there because I ordered a second batch of ready mix concrete, which is for the retaining wall slab. That's gonna be supposed to be 61 cubic meters. So we wanna make sure that they will deliver the exact amount. So let's go. Very sunny day today. Nice weather. Here's the update for the first retaining wall. So that's the slab. There's already a stem. We ordered this, an electric concrete mixer. And then over there, that's the ready mix concrete. Pouring it all for the slab. This is for the second retaining wall. Yung inorderan kasi namin nito 3/4. Ano? So this one is 61 cubic meters of concrete. And that's their second already. So they did a second load already. So estimate is 20 cubic meters and they will do more obviously. So I'll just come back there later. Maybe after an hour or two because it's too hot. I'm gonna have an asthma if I stay there longer. So are we gonna give it to Pussycat? Come on. So it's currently 3 o'clock and let's see what's happening over there. We're going back on the site. Thank God for the good weather. I should have wear my cup. It's a very sunny day. See the neighborhood.
Binenta mo na kayo?
Safety gear. Ba't parang baliktad?
Ma'am?
Init ang ako. Ako nakasira niyan eh. We have a little bit of problem, so we've decided for them to take a break while waiting for the other truck because the concrete mixer got destroyed. It broke down. Nasira. It broke down. Apparently, they only have 2 available here in Subic Bay. The other trucks are in Clark. Baka kailangang ihian. Charot.
Liga dito, buhatin mo dahil truck.
Kuya, hindi ba yung may semento yan sa loob?
Yes, sir.
Hindi yung matutuyo?
Yun nga namin nahabol nga namin. Pangalas natin. Sa ibabaw nga may tapak. Whoop!
Dance. Sing. Perform. I'm recording.
Oh my god, it's already 10 o'clock. 10 p.m. It's too early. It's already, what time is it? 3 o'clock. Past 3 o'clock and we have to finish it before 5 p.m. But apparently, the mixer is not working. So we have a little bit of problem. We're not allowed to do the overtime. We're not allowed to do the overtime. We don't have a permit to do an overtime beyond 5 p.m. because we can't disturb the neighbors.
Dalawa mi nga.
Si ano, Rafael. Gawin mo yan. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, pag yan hindi naayos ngayon. Charot.
Dinasalan ako yung rap ha.
Ihian mo yan.
Hindi kasi matik
Sabi muna po kayo sa
pag pouring
akin
kasi dapat sir, di ba tuloy-tuloy dapat.
Okay, nandun po tayo. Ilan na po kami, dapat po nag-reply sa akin na babating pa po ulit kasi pwede naman 1 o'clock yan.
So, hindi kasi tinawagan ko nung coordinator namin na na-batch na. Sabi mo, sige, padala nyo na rito pagkatapos na lang yan.
Wala naman ako magagawa sir, hindi ko naman sinabi sige. Wala naman ako magagawa kasi natimpla nyo na. Tama
Ngayon,
po ba?
nung dumating dito, pinaantay mo yung truck. Dahil magbe-break time kayo.
Hindi po, tinatapos pa yung isa.
Oo nga.
Doon dumating yan,
Tapos,
tinatapos
sinabi ko
pa
sa
yung
inyo,
isa.
Every 15 minutes ang interval. So, andito pa yung isa, dumarating na kayo. Hindi, sinabi ko
15 minutes kasi kaya 15 minutes ang interval. Pag na 15 minutes sa planta ba o 15 minutes dito?
So,
Kasi
dapat,
kung batching time
so, dapat kina-clarify nyo po. Kasi ang inaano kong
Call me, babe, can you call Neil? He's not answering me. Call Neil.
Kasi advice ko ng engineer namin ito eh.
Pwede ko ba mag-uusap yung engineer niya?
Hindi na problema kasi yung engineer kasi nagsasabi eh. Oo.
I've heard 90 minutes before they're talking.
Hindi naman ako eh. Kasi kinuha ko yung advice ng engineer.
I just want to get it for.
Reject na yan. Reject na yan.
Just want to make it.
Kaya pabilisin yung ikot para pumasok sa loob.
3 hours. 3 hours na siya eh.
Pero, positive ko naman yan. Ang setting time niya, 6 hours.
Kanina sabi mo 4 hours lang.
90 minutes for...
Hello, so I just came back home. I'm gonna go back on the site because we're gonna do an overtime. They may work beyond 5 p.m. So I managed to get the permission from Land and Asset for them to do an overtime today due to this concrete mixer problem. So we've been there for almost 3 hours doing nothing because the concrete mixer broke down. So now we have to extend so that they'll be able to finish it within today. And I am just having a snack, which is the spaghetti that I cooked last night. This is just a leftover. Then I'll be back there because I haven't eaten anything since this morning. It's already 4:30 in the afternoon. I haven't eaten anything, and as I mentioned before, I don't like eating breakfast. So I started to get dizzy because I'm already hungry. It's really hard to be under the sun for that long. So let me just eat and then I'll come back there later. The workers had their break. I ordered Jollibee for everybody. They had a chicken joy and rice. So they've eaten a while ago around 12, and then me, I'm having my lunch at 4:30. Alright, so I'm gonna go back there. I have these. So we got more gloves. Why am I the one giving them gloves? Is because we didn't hire a contractor anymore. Basically, we are the one giving them everything. We only hired the engineers and the architects. So every now and then they will do the visit to make sure everything is good and they're doing the correct job. And then I'm gonna give them more gloves because it seems like no matter how good the gloves is, it's always gonna be destroyed. And I'm wearing this. I didn't take it off from the site, so I'm gonna go back there and then I'll get them ice because it's too hot outside. They're just 10 gallons of water that was just delivered. My face is so oily. Oh my god. Staying on construction site. Every time that I'm there, it's gonna make me more ugly. It's gonna make me more darker skin, which is I don't mind, but the oiliness and the breakouts, that's gonna be the problem. Oh my god, look at my face. Sun glow yan, boosh. So I went here in Gobstopper to get some ice for the boys, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna drop by to the village gate, and I'm gonna talk to the guard to make sure that they will not stop the concrete mixer, to make sure that they will enter even if it's beyond 5 p.m. already, because normally everything is only allowed by only until 5 o'clock. Gosh, my face is so red. It's so hot. So let's go to the Kalayaan gate. And then we got a constant supply of drinking water from Quench Water in Subic Bay. This is only cost 400 pesos for 10 pieces. 400 pesos for 10 pieces, and this is only good for 2 days. They are drinking it.
Ano yun, ma'am?
Are you sure pinalitan nila?
Ma'am. Very good.
100%?
Yes. 100%.
Hindi kasi nuhulan? Uwe.
Doon lang din nila tinapon sa ano, 'di ba? Dito yung harapan nila merong ano, yung mga gas tanker. Bako-bako 'yun. Doon nila ano, tinambak yung laman nito.
Titignan daw ni ma'am yun bukas.
Alin?
Isang tinapon.
Sasamahan mo kami.
Sige nyo.
Samahan mo daw siya.
Tsaka sa loob, nagtapon din sila sa loob. Sama ako sa inyo bukas, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you.
Hindi ka nakasali, nag-McDo sila.
Makdo sila.
Sumama ka kasi.
Ano? Hindi man lang ako pinagtira.
Hindi ka naibilang, kagaya ko kanina.
Ay, hindi ka ba kasama doon sa 14? Hindi ka nga kasama doon?
May bago kasi dumating. Binigay ko na sa kanya. Next time! Next time! Okay lang yun.
It's currently 5:06. Everybody is waiting for the mixer. We're now overtime. Tapos van lang pala, no? This part, they dig in on this one to make sure that this type of thing will come in here. Because we didn't order or we didn't rent a boomba. So expensive.
Ayan na siya, no? Dabulag!
Testing cylinder.
This is what you called what? Testing cylinder?
Yeah.
for each concrete mix, individual concrete mix, and then it'll go back and it'll be tested.
Guys, we're gonna talk to the owner. We have to ask him. He needs to pay us an overtime fee. Sir, you have to give us an overtime fee.
Sorry.
That's against the Philippine law,
Rules and
Philippine
conditions of the
labor
site.
code,
Prohibit-
Philippine labor code. You have to pay us
Prohibit
overtime
all
fee.
overtime
Overtime fee,
coming from
sir.
the Western man.
Huh? You have to pay us.
I mean us.
I'm here, so I'm working. I'm wearing this. I'm talking to everybody. I'm facilitating the concrete mixer and everything. So I have to have my salary as well. I'm your secretary. I went to the guard. I bought them I coordinate with that and asset. Sir, where is my salary, sir?
Okay.
Well done. I don't need a word of affirmation. I need cash. Wala talaga akong sweldo dito, guys. I don't have a salary. They always say, this is your home, this is your house, this is for your future. No? What do you always say, babe, every time I ask you? Where's my salary?
Correct, no?
Huh? Huh?
Correct, isn't it?
What do you always say? Tell them. Babe!
Blah, 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 blah.
Be careful, you keep on. Hello, doggy! Why you keep on reversing? That's already. So this guy, Rayton, he will sort the light. Didn't expect that we're gonna do overtime tonight rather. Need a light. It's so embarrassing for our neighbors because it's already 6 o'clock. We are all still here. So this is second to the last. It's currently 6:47 p.m. Still working. Paconsuelo. Obviously, they are paid for overtime. They have overtime payment. And also, I sorted their dinner. And also some booze. Construction workers' favorite Red Horse beer.
But still, they have overtime work. Pero tapos na yung kanilang trabaho. May permit sila sa LAD.
Nasubukan na namin yung ganyan. Tinulong kami doon sa may ano. Nalakad kami. Sinunod kami ng mga bata.